Hey everyone, Matt Pisarsik with Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the wide, wonderful world of Proraso. If you are new to the wet shaving world, if you are experienced in the wet shaving world, it is hard to not notice a line with as much depth and breadth and covering all the ground like Proraso does. It has been part of the wet shaving world since the OG, the original. This stuff goes back to the 40s, guys. Ludovico Martelli in Italy started this brand. He was working to try to get barbershops quality products at a great price that people liked. The original formula of this stuff is all the green packaging. It's probably some of the most famous stuff in the market. It's got that classic barbershop smell to it, right? Eucalyptus and menthol, cooling effect on your skin. In fact, I just got done with a shave video and I'm still feeling my skin. It feels great. Love the smell. It's awesome in the summertime, especially when it's hot. It was always the green line, and then it got into the red, you know, in the 70s, 80s, I think, you know, with the sandalwood over here. And then more recently, I was even around, I remember when the white line came out. That's the line for sensitive skin with green tea and oatmeal. And then lastly, they got the amber and musk kind of a thing with the more modern, I think also buckwheat with aloe vera. But, you know, whichever one you choose, Proraso's got all your bases covered. They also make the accessories. They got bowls, they got brushes, atomizers, beard brushes. You know, their whole thing is that it's supposed to be a quality line of, you know, affordable products made in Italy, old world quality. I love it. We've been carrying Proraso literally since the beginning. In fact, this was the very first line of products that Razor Emporium picked up. And I remember my handle on some of the old chat room days was Proraso Man. I've always loved it. I've always loved the look, the feel, the quality. When we first picked it up, I actually started importing Proraso mostly because I was like, well, I really want it for myself, but I guess I'll, you know, buy, you know, extra shaving tubes and sell them to customers. And that's kind of how the whole Emporium got started, truth be told. Full comprehensive line, pre-shave, shave creams, shave soaps, aftershave balms, aftershave splashes, nicks and cuts, healers, beard balms, you name it, Proraso's got you covered. It is the Italian classic. It's what you're going to see literally in the grocery stores if you go in Italy. You see the enthusiasm on my face because I couldn't be more excited to be carrying Proraso in our store. It's a phenomenal line. If you haven't had a chance to try out Proraso, you need to, because I think it is, there's one for everybody. I love the color coding. It's the Italian flag, right? You know, red, green, and white, and blue, kind of like the barber pole added in there. But it's a classic line for a reason. And sometimes when you're getting started, it's so hard. There's so many choices. There's so many artisans. There's so many products. If you don't know where to start, you cannot go wrong starting with Proraso. I always point people here first. Affordable, quality shaving products. Let's take a few moments and go through some of these scents in detail. The original is the classic eucalyptus and menthol. It's called the Refreshing line. It's in the green packaging. The eucalyptus oils that tone and purifies your facial hair and skin, while menthol helps to refresh and vitalize. 91% of the ingredients are of natural origin. It's cruelty-free, no ingredients of animal origin, no parabens, silicones, mineral oils, artificial colors. The Refresh formula, it's Proraso's first line and still evergreen. It's suitable for all beard and skin types with the properties of eucalyptus oil and menthol. The formula is designed to combine cleansing and toning with a refreshing and revitalizing effect. Spicy, eucalyptus, tangy a little bit, the menthol, kind of medicine-y, but in a good way. I like it. In the red packaging is the sandalwood formula. It is exfoliating and nourishing. It's for thicker, coarser beards. It's softening and prepares beards for shaving. It's made with shea butter and sandalwood oil. It's an intense woodsy fragrance. Well, I know it's gonna smell spicy, woodsy, aromatic, warm. Got the sandalwood smell. In the white packaging is the sensitive skin formula. It is for sensitive and easily irritated skin with extracts of green tea and oatmeal. It helps prevent redness and leaves the skin soft with a delicate fruity fragrance of lime and apple. The white really shouldn't have a smell. It just smells clean. Maybe a tiny bit of the green tea, kind of a little bit of like almost like a fresh cut rose. Just clean, easy going, meant for sensitive skin. In the blue packaging is the protective and moisturizing formula. It's dedicated to those who demand a close and comfortable shave but have dry, rough skin that needs extra hydration. With aloe vera and vitamin E, it's a modern and spicy fragrance with notes of amber and musk. Ambery, fresh, clean, modern, masculine. I like it. This is a really good one. Well, guys, I think I said it all. I don't know what more I could say about how awesome Proraso is. It's a fantastic line of products. Give it a shot. Start with the cream, start with the soap, whatever you do, get started. Maybe it'll grace your shaving den. Maybe it'll be part of your newest wet shaving experience. I hope you have a chance to like it. If you have tried Proraso, if it was your first shaving product, I want to hear from you. Tell me below in the comments, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.